Alright guys, so my customer bought a used car, and guess what? The studs are busted. Okay, as you can see right there, that's what you get when you go buy a car in Paterson, New Jersey. I got some friends out there, cool people, but well, business is business to them, but I have nothing against that. But you need to repair this stuff, and that's what we're doing today. And pop that one out. This is a 2007 Dodge Caliber. This one right here is damaged as well. So you got enough clearance over here. Took the caliper, rotor, and everything out. Or they did change brakes and stuff. Anything that was simple, they changed shocks, control arm. They couldn't get their hand on this oil pressure switch. Got a video on how to change this oil pressure switch without removing the intake. I did see that they was trying to scrape the connector, and they was able to scrape the connector with something, but you cannot manage to get there. Only me. I figured out how to do it. I didn't record the actual way of doing it, but it's so tight in there. But I did manage to show it in detail, and when everything was being processed, being torn apart, taken apart, I mean by that. But we're gonna pop this guy open. There you go. You never want to hit these, the better ones with the hammer. But look at this guy. Look at the condition of it. Anyways, that's garbage. We got our new stud that's gonna go right here. This was frozen in time. You always want to freeze these guys. Once you freeze these little guys, oh yeah, Harley Davidson, they shrink a bit. When you freeze, they shrink a bit. So we got a new lug here for this Dodge Caliber. So you're always gonna have to put a new lug on. See this little nut in the middle? It's just a perfect amount of space, so it can go right through. And we got that on. We're gonna get our impact on next. And 19mm. Slowly, keep eye on the stud. Bit more. Little bit more. Always in there. Oh yeah. It's flush. Little bit more. It's done. And should be able to take that off smoothly. If it doesn't come out smoothly, you're already damaged. Sometimes you have to do a few tries. And there you go. Now the lug nut should freely on that. But that one's done. We're gonna put this to the side. We do have another stud here somewhere. There you go. Got another stud in this package. Turn this guy around. So, like I said, you freeze it, okay? If you don't freeze it, it's gonna be a little bit tough, but it will go in, and rubber nut fall right through. There you go. There's enough clearance. So we don't want to use the same lug twice. Got another one in this package. Make sure you center everything, okay? Everything has to be in the center. As long as it's in the center, you're good. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're gonna bang this guy in same way. Okay, I'm gonna give it a moment. We're gonna come right back. Okay guys, we're almost there. A tiny bit more. I know I keep getting on the way, but I need to look. And the baby is flush. Double try it. Should go on smooth. lug nut itself does not take any damage, both of them. But if you see damage afterward, you got a problem. If the stud is good, you get another lug nut. It's only like $3-4. Anyways, put the rotor on. We're gonna put the caliper on. Bada bing, bada boom. Guys, if you're gonna get another car, look at things, okay? Don't just see what they put on, like this component. Even these shocks they put on was garbage to me. They put a whole bunch of stuff new, but anyways. And these tie rods, I know that for sure, but we're gonna do a job on that as well. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.